Hi, I'm Godfrey Araujo, orthopedic surgeon. I've been a medical practitioner for the last 30 years. I graduated out of the University of the West Indies and did my undergraduate studies partly in Mona, Jamaica, and finished in Trinidad. After internship, which I did at Port Spain General Hospital, I went to the UK for 5 years and did my specialization, attaining the fellowship in the Royal Colleges of Surgeons of Edinburgh and the Royal College of Surgeons and Physicians in Glasgow. Following that, and a stint as a acting registrar, senior SHO in Wales, I came back home to Trinidad and took up a registrar's position in Port Spain General Hospital, where I continued my training. And because of the types of injuries that we had at that time, I developed a subspecialty interest in upper limb, including trauma and reconstruction. And I've continued that into my present evolution here in the Fracture and Orthopaedic Clinic, which is a group practice that I founded with Dr. Derek Lusang in the late 90s. We've been operating as a group practice since then, and we are in our present location here, 29A Sinclair Avenue, for the last 13 years. And it's in a purpose-built building, which allows us to offer a multitude of services that I think are second to none. We have in-house diagnostics, including digitized x-rays, musculoskeletal ultrasound, peripheral MRIs, all the labs, ECGs, and nerve conduction testing that we need. We are a 5-member group. There are 4 of us who are here continuously. Our general practitioner, Ahmad Rahman, I think is one of the best. We have Dr. Derek Lusang, who I think is the best arthroplasty surgeon in Trinidad, if not the wider Caribbean. And we have Dr. Sergey Adonin, who is a reconstruction specialist utilizing the Ilizarov method, which we actually do sometimes with computerized assistance. And then we have a visiting foot and ankle specialist, Dr. Leroy James, who is a consultant foot and ankle specialist in Liverpool in the UK and visits us every 2 to 3 months to add to our repertoire here in terms of the services that we offer. I designated the upper limb specialist, but I'm also an ultrasound based practitioner, which allows me to investigate the musculoskeletal system and do ultrasound guided procedures, which really is an amazing science. It's quite exciting and rewarding to practice. In terms of our practice as such, we also offer a Caribbean-based practice. We do a clinic, an intermittent clinic in Antigua, and we have Caribbean patients coming to us, and we offer medical tourism and do some of the procedures that are not available in their island, and that is quite rewarding for them and for us. We are continuing to educate ourselves, and we do CMAs, which are continuing medical education, and keep honing our skills continuously to offer the best that we can to our patients, and here in Trinidad and Tobago as well as in the Caribbean.